Hi guys, so I forgot to start Friday's vlog, yesterday's vlog. So it was Friday the 4th of November. Yes, we are in November. 1 month until Christmas is crazy, like I can't believe it. 1 month, over 1 month, but it's still like next month, so it's crazy to think. But yeah, I can't wait for Christmas. I love Christmas. Christmas is probably one of the best times of the year for me, if not the best time of the year. I love it. I really do. So, not just for the presents. I love, like, just, yeah, the Jesus part of it. I won't go to too much detail, but yeah. Friday, what did I do? I went to meet my friend Princess and my friend Ebby, and we cooked jollof rice, which was amazing. I think I showed you guys in the clips. Yeah, it looked really cool, good, and oh, it was amazing. Yeah, and then we fried some plantain as well, made stew that she can eat with rice, and I brought some home, so I'm gonna enjoy that. Yes. And then I came back home, slept quite a lot, and then I went out with my friend Danny. Yeah, and that was pretty much it for Friday. I was supposed to go and see my supervisor, but that didn't happen because I think I emailed him too late, so it's gonna happen next week, early next week. But yeah, I hope you guys had a good Friday, because I did, and yeah, I hope you did. Good afternoon, beautiful people. Today is Saturday, 5th of November. I just had a shower, that's why I'm still wearing my robe. But yeah, I'm just gonna get ready, and then in a few hours I'm going to bonfire night, which would be nice because I don't think I've gone in a while. I don't think I have ever gone, but yeah, it should be good. Guys, I just came back from the fireworks. It was really good. But yeah, I had to leave because it just got awkward, and nobody was talking to me. So yeah, I know it's really sad, but it's better that I left and stay there and have them ignore me. So it was really good though. I didn't get any footage of the actual fireworks. But yeah, hopefully the one of the bonfire, like the little fire we made, should be enough for you guys. Hello, beautiful people. I just noticed that I didn't start Sunday's vlog, but if you're watching this now, today is Sunday's vlog, and I hope you guys are having a good day. It was Sunday the 6th of November. I hope you guys had a really good Sunday. I did. I went to church. I was on volunteering host team, so I had to go early, but luckily I got a lift from uni, so that's good. And it was a really good event. Like, I poured out my heart more. Like, I worshipped God in church yesterday in a way that I never really did before. So I'm really, really pleased that I let it all out.
Exploring the confines placed around us, breaking through the barriers and walking on water, stepping out of the comfortable and into the uncharted. An ever-growing confidence that impossible is nothing for those with amazing faith.
Guys, I just want to say thank you for watching this vlog. Yeah, sorry my screen's blurry because it's been raining, but yeah, and my hair's messy, ignore that. It's been Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys had a good weekend, and yeah, don't forget to always be happy, always stay positive, don't let anyone or anything bring you down, because you don't need that negativity in your life. And don't forget that love is the key to life. And yeah, comment, share with your family and friends and anyone else you want to share this vlog with, and give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.